What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Talk with Turf. Today we are going to revive the Mavic Pro 2.
No, we're not. It's dead.
Why you always got to be such a pessimist? Really?
Realist.
I mean,
realist.
You gotta be able to send the positive energy towards.
Ooh, send the positive energy of the universe.
Come on, you gotta get on board. You gotta feel good about the fact that we've done everything we possibly can to make this
thing.
Thing.
Good about that dance you were doing.
Yeah, I think that the dance worked. I think that was a big part of the recovery of the drone. Thank you very much. And if you didn't know, there is something called the secret.
Throughout history, all the great minds, all the great...
Secret?
Really?
Oh my God.
Come
you
on,
see that
man.
on TV?
I just...
Yeah?
I don't know.
Maybe the secret is you
just
crashing
always
your drone
on my
into
case.
the river about 2 feet off the shore, not being able to find it for 45 minutes. Is that the secret? Yeah, that's a really good secret. Yeah, I won't share it with anybody.
Are you finished?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Can we keep doing the video?
Yeah, we can keep doing the video. Okay. In fact, I can't wait to see how this video turns out. I'm looking forward.
So today we are gonna revive.
In fact, maybe I get to see you cry again.
I am seriously. I'm done with you. Okay.
Yeah.
Babe, can you just go and get rid of this guy, please? Just take him somewhere. Give him a Snickers bar, and he'll shut up quick. Alright guys, welcome back. Now that we've expelled all of the negative energy from the room. Yeah, I'm looking at you.
Talking to me?
No, you enjoy that Snickers.
Oh, I am enjoying that
Snickers. That's real good.
Yeah.
I'm just going to share the facts.
Oh, okay, you share the facts, Brainiac.
The facts are, number one, I did crash my drone. Oh, fuck. It was slightly an emotional couple days for me. Damn it. Ah!
I'm so sorry.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Shh. He's sleeping. There's no iron team. There's no iron team. But we have had it soaking in rice for 48 hours. Before that, we put the car on high heat, stuck it up by the defrost, and let it sit there for about an hour. We did an inspection, and I gotta say, there was some moisture inside. I saw it. I haven't pulled it out of the rice box quite yet, but that's what we're gonna do now and take a look. The biggest thing I'm worried about is the camera. I saw inside the Hasselblad was moisture. I was able to remove the front cover, but there was moisture inside the lens, hopefully not on the sensor, but we're just gonna have to see. Let's get this puppy out of here. Alright guys, we got her all cleaned out. Some rice got up inside the fuselage here, so make sure you get all that out, rattle it out a little bit. I took a look at the sensors. The sensors seem to be completely dried out, as well as the Hasselblad camera, so things are looking good. On the downside, I took out the memory card, and it's unrecognizable by the computer. So, we got a fried memory card. I mean, it's toast. And so, I guess that's the good news and the bad news. And it does make me a little bit concerned that if I short-circuited the memory card, that I very well could have short-circuited the internal components of the Mavic Pro. This is tough. This is A moment I've been waiting for a couple days now. And this is like make or break travel budget. Okay, well, I guess there's only one way to pull off a Band-Aid, and that's to rip it off, so let's go. Batteries in. Remote's on. The app is loaded. Here we go. I hear something. The camera was moving, but I don't see any lights. And it says it's connecting, but I don't see any connection. Let's disconnect the battery. Let's make sure our contacts are good. And this is a fresh battery. This is not the one that went in the water. And now the fan's running. There's still no lights. And I'm not getting a connection. She might be toast, folks. Alright guys, there you have it. Mavic 2 Pro, not waterproof. Maybe water resistance. I mean, we saw some activity there. The fan started going, the camera was moving, but the GPS signal was not connecting, lights weren't coming on, and don't tell me that I told you so.
I'm not going to tell you that I told you so, but I told you so.
Yeah, well, I figured that was coming. Anyways, avoid the water, guys, at all costs. You're going to have to send it into DJI or send it to one of their repair facilities. And with that, are those my nuts?
They were your nuts.
You're such a dick. Alright guys, like, subscribe, give me comments, tell me what I can do, if there's anything that I can do to save the drone without having to send it in for repairs. And with that, we'll catch you sometime in the future.
Never.
When I have a drone that works.
It's just...